welcome to week 2, day 4 of the Summer Shred Challenge. My name is Allison, and for today's video, we're doing a 20-minute, no equipment core workout. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to tap the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest fitness videos. All you need is a mat. I'll be cueing you through all the exercises and also demonstrating modifications, so definitely work at a level that's best for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's begin in a seated position. With your heels down towards the short end of your mat, hands behind the legs. We're gonna inhale, dip the chin, round the back, wiggle it out if you need to, and then exhale, sit up tall, lengthen through the spine. Inhale, exhale. So this is just a quick warm-up move to get the core fired up. Inhale, exhale. Think about making a C-shaped curve down, stretch, and then sit up tall on the top end. Now we're gonna gradually progress this move, but remember you can always stay here if you'd like to. If you like, you can release those legs. Do the same position here. Curve. You can start to make it a little bit bigger, maybe shoulder blades touch the mat. And then come up, and then eventually you can make it a full arm swoop. Inhale, exhale, reach up. I'll give you about 15 more seconds doing whichever version you like. Now, if you're doing this and you get stuck, feel free to assist yourself behind the legs and then finish the move. Wherever you're at, give me 2 more. Inhale back, exhale, come up, and 1 more right here. Good. Hands behind the legs, carefully come all the way down onto your back. Adjust your position as you need to. All right, starting off, hands light behind the head, feet are flat. Let's do a set of basic crunches. Before you begin, engage the core, hands light behind the head, look at the ceiling, and then join me for the crunch. All right, we're gonna do a little mini core series right here. I'm not going to cue any breaks, but if you need to take them, please feel free to do so. So crunching up, lifting just high enough to your shoulder blades are off the mat. Exhale, lift, inhale down. 4, 3, 2. On this next one, hold it up. Now give me some baby pulses on top. Pulse, pulse, 4, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, singles up and down right here. Lift it up and down. We don't want Surrey interrupting our workout, do we? Lift and lower for 4, 3, bring those legs up to tabletop position. Add a reverse crow roll. In and then out. If you're not feeling this crunch with the knees, feel free to keep them at tabletop and just continue with the upper body. Exhale, inhale, making sure there's no arch in that lower back. 4 more. 4, in 3, listen for the cue. 2, right knee in, left leg out, extend that leg, twist it to the bent knee, over and then down. Your modification for this is to set this foot down, or you can set both feet down and keep that twist. Keep it up. 4 more like this. 3, and then I'm gonna go to a hesitation. All right, watch me, keep twisting. It's center, rotate, center, and down. Join me. We only have 4 of these. Up, twist, center for 4. Shoulder blades lifted. 3. Whew. 1 more. Stay to the same side, pulse it, double time. 8, 7, 6, 5, good. 4, 3, immediately switch, left knee and right leg out. Twist over for 8. Remember your modifications, foot can come down, both feet down, you keep twisting. Keep going, 4, 3, then we're gonna slow it down, those 2 count hesitations, just 4 times. Ready? Try it right here. Center, twist, center, and down. Here's 3. Whew. 2 more. Up, twist, center, lower. 1 more. Up to the same side, pulse it, double time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, slow bicycles, alternate. Ooh, I know, I told you there's no breaks. If you need to take a break, please do so. If you're not feeling these bicycles, head down and just do those knee tucks in and out, single leg stretch. 10 seconds. If you can, pick up the pace, keep the good form. I'll give you a little bit longer break. 5, 4, 3, 2, drop the head, hug the knees, rock it out. Good job. All right, when you're ready, rock yourself up. Come to a side plank position. Now for the plank that we're gonna do, we're actually gonna have our hand down, inside knee down, and then top leg extended, arm up. We're doing a oblique crunch, kind of looks like a single leg bird dog, and then extend. So for this move, I am gonna keep the hip up, but if you'd like to, you can definitely take it down here and do the same move modified on your elbow. We're gonna do this one for repetition since we're doing one set at a time for 10. All right, take a moment, get in position. Nice long leg and arm. And here we go, exhale. Elbow to the top of your thigh, extend out for 10. 9, legs are gonna get a little extra workout here too. 7, 6, halfway there. 4, 3, listen for the little kicker that's optional at the end. 2, hold the arm and leg out, pulse on top. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and bring it down. Drop the hip. We're gonna do one more thing on this side before we flip to the other way. If you're on your hand, take it to your elbow. Angled oblique crunches. Now, different versions you can do for this. First version, outside heel down, extend the inside leg, crunch in and out. Second option, both legs up, and we crunch in and out. This will also be for 10 repetitions. All right, so decide what you wanna do. If you're extending both legs, you're here. Let's go. In and out for 10. 9, modification, you're here. 8, 7, keep that elbow down. 6, come on. 5, 4, squeeze. 3, you're doing great. Last one. Woo, bring it down, shake it out. If you like, you can flip it over, face the other way. You don't have to see me for the other side. We're doing the same thing. All right, I'm gonna flip so I'm facing you. So back to the hand, inside hand down, inside knee, or remember your modification is your elbows down and then your hip is down as well. All right, 10 reps, nice and long in 3, 2, tighten the abs, let's go. 10, 9, nice. 8, keep it strong. 7, 6, halfway. Woo, 4, then we have those bonus 10 pulses on top. 2 more. Hold this last one out, nice long arm and leg, pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, carefully bring it down. Drop the hip, inside elbow, angled oblique crunches, level 1, level 2, we're doing 10 reps. All right, take a breath, decide what you wanna do, hands behind, extend, let's go for 10. Whew. 9, 8, 7, 6, keep it up, 5, 4, good job, 3, 2, and 1, very nice. Flip it over. We're gonna go into a high plank position and then some options. So plank, hands down, wrists are directly stacked underneath your elbow and shoulders. Core is tight, we hold it here. Modification, you're here or you're here. So when you're ready, join me in whichever plank you like. All right, if you're on your toes, you're gonna follow me. If you're on your knees, I want you to just hold that. All right, so if you're on your toes, I'm gonna do some alternating knee taps, down and up. Shoulders and hips staying centered and stationary. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, in 4, 3, 2, hold the plank. All right, you did the alternating. Coming up, we're gonna do a double knee tap and bring it up. Ready? 8 of these, 8. You can either hold stationary, do alternating like we did. 6, 5, come on, harder than they look. 4, 3, 2, 10-second plank, hold it. 8, 7, 6, breathe. 4, 3, 2. If you're on your toes, drop to your knees. Everyone sink back, child's pose, and breathe. Good job. Go ahead and bring it up. Let's flip it back onto your back. I know we were here before, but different moves. Take a little breather recovery. Watch me. All right, first move we're gonna hit back on the floor. We're gonna do a star crunch. We're gonna start tucked into a ball, hands where the shins are. Inhale, extend those arms, extend those legs. Exhale, bring it in, hug. Reach, and then pull in. Option is to keep the head on the ground and keep that same star move. Let's do this one for time. 30 seconds, one set. We're gonna start in 5, 4, start in a ball, 3, 2, here we go. Reach, pull. Now the higher up you can come, more challenging. If you need to take it here, that's perfect as well. Inhale, exhale, tuck. Woo. Good, we're past halfway. 8 seconds, stay with it. Reach, pull in for 5, 4, 3, 2, and then last one, hug the knees in, drop the head. Good job. Straight leg twist, one leg out 45 degrees, other leg out. Rotate over, hands behind, switch. When you're ready, join me, 30 seconds starting now. Over, over. Keeping the legs long. Big rotation for that upper body. And breathe. Woo. Your modification for this one is head down, bring the leg in center. You got it. Keep going, keep going. 8 seconds. Woo, that core's feeling it now. 3, 2, head down, knees in, rock it out. All right, I'm gonna progress our next move. We're gonna start with those legs at tabletop, alternate, one leg out, pull it in. This is eventually progressing to a dead bug, but we'll all start the level 1. Right here, join me. Engage the core, making sure there's no space between your lower back and the mat. Good, level 2, arms up. Opposite arm, opposite leg. This is progressing again. Inhale, exhale. Level 3, I'm gonna go ahead and lift my head up, shoulder blades just off the ground, and continue that dead bug. Inhale, exhale. So pick what you like, 20 more seconds. We're getting close to the end of this workout, so finishing strong. Inhale, exhale up. Good. 5 seconds. 4, then you're gonna hold one side of your dead bug. 3, whichever version you're doing. 2, hold it up an inch if you're with me. 3, 2, center switch sides. Up, hold. We're doing that one more time in each side. If you need to put your head down, do it. Center, switch. Woo. Yes, 3, 2, center switch. Breathe through it. 3, 2, head down, knees in. Good work. All right, we're gonna go back into that tabletop position. Hug the knees, 1, 2, 3, rock it up. All right, tabletop right here. Ooh, let's do a quick little stretch for the lower back. Cat-cows, exhale, pull in. Inhale, flat back. And then we're gonna do a bird dog series. Exhale, inhale. Good, 2 more just like that. And 1 more. Good, all right, relax those elbows. Opposite arm, opposite leg. We extend out, find your balance, bring it down. So we're gonna do 20 seconds traditional bird dogs. When you're ready, join me here. Modification for your bird dog is you can extend the legs instead without the arms. So do what you like for another 10 seconds. And then we'll do a quick child's pose stretch while I demonstrate your next option. 4, 3, 2, sink back for your child's pose. Watch me. I'm gonna extend, reach back, touch the foot, reach back out, set it down, up, reach, center, and down. That is totally optional. If you're not feeling it, stay with what you did the previous set. All right, 30 seconds of this. In 3, get back in tabletop. 2, here we go. Extend, bend that leg, reach, center, down. Core stabilization, balance. Woo. Reach, touch. You've got it. Now, little coordination here, but I know you can do it. Let's go for about 10 more seconds, couple more. Reach. 5, 4, 3. Get one more in there. I'm gonna finish this one. And child's pose, stretch. All right, we did high plank earlier. We're gonna finish being on our forearms at the forearm plank. All right, so if you need to shake it out, take a moment. Forearm plank on your toes or your knees. When you're ready, go ahead, bring it up, squeeze the glutes, pull the shoulder blades in your back pocket, core is tight, same rules apply even if you're here. Whew. All right, so breathe and hold. Now, pretend like you're stirring a pot, like a big cauldron. We're gonna rotate those shoulders around, clockwise, about 5 or 6 times. If you're on your knees, you're doing the same thing. In 3, 2, reverse, stir the other way. Stir the other way. Yeah, feel those obliques a little bit deeper. One more stir, hold to center, 10 seconds. Come on, breathe, hold. 8, 7, 6, last 4, 3, 2, and drop the knees. Sink back and stretch. I'm actually gonna take those knees about shoulder width. Frogger pose. Good job today. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Let's get some frog rockers. Shifting forward, lift the heart and chest. And then exhale, round the back, sink back. Good. Inhale, lift. Exhale back. Let's do that 3 more times. Lift. Beautiful. Last 2 right here. And 1 more. Good. Very nice. Let's go into a seated position. You can sit cross-legged however you like. A little stretch for those obliques, one hand or forearm down. Reach the arm up and over, look at that ceiling. Take a breath, inhale. Exhale, windmill the arms other way. We're doing that 1 more time on each side. Inhale, exhale. And 1 more time. Good. Center up, interlock the fingers behind, open up the chest and heart, and give me a deep breath in. Exhale out. Arms in front, round the upper back, dip the chin. Inhale, reach all the way up to your ceiling, and bring it down. Great job today. My name is Allison. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next workout. Great job on completing that workout. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to tap the subscribe button and the bell to stay notified with the latest fitness videos released every Mondays and Thursdays. If you have any workout requests, please leave a comment in this video. My name is Allison. Thank you so much for working out with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.